Hi, now I will show you how to use a text editor for your uh, programming because the default notepad editor is not too smart to do coding. So you can use Sublime Text or Atom editor or Bracket or PHP Storm or any other editor. For this project I am going to use Sublime Text. So search by Sublime Text on Google and then you will see the official website of Sublime Text. After going to this website, you can download Sublime Text for Windows. Okay. After downloading, simply install the Sublime Text and you will see an interface like this. This is the sidebar. This will not come first time. First time it will be this way. Then I will have to enable it, show sidebar. First time under tools there is a install package manager, so you have to install the package manager, and when you install the package manager, then you can start the package control from preference, and here you can install all your packages you need. I have installed emmet package here to run my application because I use the HTML and CSS very easily with it using very short form. So emmet was essential for me, but you can use any other packages you need. You can use any color scheme or other things. So okay, simply install and enjoy.